Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix that Riot ID is an available error so you can successfully change your Riot ID for games like Valorant, League of Legends, or Legends of Runeterra. First, open the Riot Games account page in your browser and log in. Go to Account Settings and click on the Riot ID tab. Here you can enter a new username and tagline. If you see the unavailable message, it means that someone else is already using that exact combination. To fix this, try changing your tagline as well. This is the 4 to 5 character code after the hashtag. Even if your desired username is taken, pairing it with a unique tagline can make it available. If you still can't get the name you want, try slight variations like adding a period, number, or alternative spelling. Remember, Riot only lets you change your Riot ID once every 90 days, so make sure you're happy with your choice before confirming. And that's how you fix that Riot ID is an available issue. Just adjust both your username and tagline until you find a unique combination that works. Thanks for watching.